This is grade 4, module 3, lesson 30, and the objective in this lesson is to solve division problems with a 0 in the dividend or with a 0 in the quotient. So we're going to look at homework problems number 1 and 2, and the directions say divide and check your solutions by multiplying. So number 1 is 409 divided by 5, okay, and I'm going to do this by doing long division, okay. So I'm looking at this 4 right here, and this is 400. So I actually have how many groups of 5 can I make with this 4, and that would be 0. So what I've been teaching them to do is just put an X above that. So now I'm actually looking at the 4 in the hundreds place and the 0 in the tens place, and looking at this whole number 40. So how many groups of 5 can I make out of 40? Okay, 1 times 5 is 5, and we have a remainder of 4. And to check our solution by multiplying, we have 81, we multiply it by 5, and then we have to add the remaining 4, so 409 checks out. So our correct answer would be 81 remainder 4. Okay, for problem number 2, we have 503 divided by 2, and I'm going to do that one using a place value chart. We have our hundreds, tens, and ones, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds, 0 tens, and 3 ones. And I'm going to make my 2 rows. Okay. And for the hundreds, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 left over. I can 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 100s becomes 10 tens, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that takes care of all of those. And 1 and 1, and I have a remainder of 1. So my quotient would be 200, 5 tens, 1 1, and there's a remainder of 1. So 251 remainder 1. So to check our answer, we're going to multiply. So we have 251 times 2. And we have 502, and we have to add our remainder to get 503. And that checks out. So our answer, 251 remainder 1. Okay. The next problem we're going to look at is number 9 and number 10 from the homework. And 9 is 6,200. Okay, so that's 6,000. Oh, let's change my colors here. 6,218 divided by 4. Okay, and we have 18, and we have an answer of 1,554, remainder 2, and we're going to check our answer by doing 1,554 times 4. Okay, 6,216, adding a remainder of 2. And we have 6,218. So that checks out, and our answer would be 1,554 remainder 2. We'll do the same thing with number 10, which is 8,000 divided by 4. Okay, and this becomes, and when we have the zeros to follow, we could just keep going through it this way. Okay, and then there's no remainder. So our 8,000 divided by 4 is 2,000.